What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to archive and unarchive Instagram reels. The first step, guys, to archive Instagram reel, you want to go to your profile. As you can see here, you want to click your profile at the very bottom right. Now you are on your profile. What you want to do, guys, you want to click this video, this logo in the middle, here, as you can see here, where you can see all your Instagram reels. Here you can see all your Instagram reels. Now if you want to archive, let's say I want to archive this. If I want to archive this Instagram reel, I'm going to click three little dots at the very bottom right. Now after that, you want to click on manage. After that, click on archive at the very bottom. Click again archive. Now we have archived the Instagram reel. Now if you want to unarchive Instagram reel, you want to click three little lines in the top right corner and then click on your activity. After you click on your activity, you want to click on archive. As you can see here, you want to scroll down a little bit, you will find here archived here. Now you want to click on the video that you want. Make sure it says here posts archive. You want to click on the video. You are not going to get me. Now if you want to unarchive this video, you want to click three little dots at the very bottom right and then click on manage and then click on show on profile. Instead it will not say unarchive, it will say show on profile, but the same meaning. And then click show on profile, and that's how you can unarchive posts on Instagram. As you can see here, it appears again. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works.